That was unexpected. Two squirrels got into a tussle, and this guy just jumped on my camera, and he's not happy. Let's see if I can give him a peanut. Well, that was a unexpected surprise. He has never gotten that close to me. Never let me touch his hand. He's never touched me, and I never touched him. But I guess, what is it that saying? The enemy of my enemy is my friend. Or hard times make strange bedfellows. Hopefully that's not the last time he gets that close. Anyway, he's staring at me right now. He's watching me and watching the other squirrel. I think he's trying to evaluate what the hell just happened. See if I can get him on camera there. Oh, there he is. That's Frosty. He's got nibble marks on his ears. I used to think it was just the kind of squirrel he was, that he was just born that way, but it's looking more and more like he may have been attacked as a baby or something, and they chewed his ears off. Maybe one of his fellow nest mates did that to him. Anyway, he's calming down now.